Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Shineworld. My name is Mr. Kevin from Shanghai Shineworld Engineering Company Limited. Today, let me show you Shineworld manufacture plant in Changzhou. Shineworld, Changzhou. Okay, follow me. Let me show Shineworld factory and Shineworld products. And in this factory, Shineworld main products two. Products one is we produce a new technology, the PE lagging for cable drum packing, protection the cable during transportation and delivery. And another one is extruder machine. Shineworld produced the extruder machine and the different size of payoff and take up. Okay. So here we have the new name is Shineworld New Material Technology Company Limited. And this is for the new material. We also have another name, is Changzhou Shineworld New Intelligent Engineering Company Limited for extruder machine, coiling machine, and different size of payoff and take up. Okay, welcome to Shineworld. Here is we produced is under production extruder 80, 65, 50, 50 extruder. And this is we make the design and produce the bobbin auto changing dual spooler take up and match with high speed insulation extruder machine. Shineworld. And this the bobbin size is 1250 during production, high speed, and after one bobbin drum full, and then auto changing to another one, and save the loading unloading time, save the bobbin changing time, and high speed to ensure the whole line can high speed running, high capacity. For HMI, Siemens touch panel, Shanghai Shineworld Engineering Company, Siemens. This is auto changing and match with high-speed insulation extruder machine. And this is we are produce the new design is electric pinch electric adjusted 630 puncture machine. It's one side, two side, and three sides. It's not a finished production. And next week, our technical department will testing running or. And there are others is some of the payoff. Okay, let's go to the second floor, and we will show the different size of the payoff and the take up. Okay, this is one line already finished. We will do production with the wire today. And after production, testing everything, we will arrange a shipment. It's a dual spooler, take up, and a meter counter, accumulator, so can ensure high speed. For this water soft double layer. Now our operators will doing preparation, and this afternoon we will running this line. Diameter gauge, warm water soft, and control panel, Shineworld, cross height 70 plus the 45, cross height, and the straightening device, and the motor drive the payoff. So this line now we are making the preparation. This afternoon we will running with the wire to testing, running, and we will show another video for your reference. Okay, so this area, let me introduce the different series of payoff and take up. Okay, now this is the cantilever type payoff and take up. We're waiting for assembling. And the size is from 500, 630, 630 to 800, 800 to 1000, 1000 to 1250. Cantilever, and this is cantilever type payoff and take up. And here 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 is motor drive payoff and take up. And compared with cantilever, more stable because we use the structure is a frame type. So we named this one is a frame type payoff and take up because it's matched with a high-speed insulation layer, and flexible wire is a very smaller one, so we use this motor drive payoff, to ensure high-speed running, and the tension device, to this one. And here Shineworld also prepared some is already ready. It's dual head 630 motor drive payoff. This one is suitable for the bobbin wire rewilding is multi-wire, and then match each other is ground floor or puncture machine. The payoff bobbin size is 500 to 630. So we have different options. The smaller one is suitable for 500 and 630, and the bigger one is up to 630, 800. This is a bigger size, 1, 2, 3, 4. So when the customer spot multi-wire drawing machine to go to puncture machine, is very popular. Hot sales is this dual height, twin height, motor drive payoff, match with 630 puncture machine, 800 puncture machine, and 1000 puncture machine to produce the flexible wire. This is a coiling machine. After installation, it will be coiling one coiler 100 meters. Okay, here also have two sets of basket coiling for installation wire. It's under production. After finished production, we will testing, running, and then packing, exported. So this floor is Shineworld main products is different size of payoff and take up. And after we finish the production, we will make the whole line from payoff to take up to do testing. To do this testing is not empty testing. We do it is wire. with PVC material and fully running this line. After fully running, check everything is running properly, and then we make packing and export it. Ladies and gentlemen, because of COVID-19, start from 2020, till now, it's not finished. It's not returned to normal. So dispatch engineer is very important. But consider with this one is for the machinery from Shineworld, we will guarantee is we doing fully running commissioning in our factory. And then when the machine exported to our customer site, we can doing online commissioning with our customers, because production commissioning we already finished done this job in our factory. This is our advantage. And another one, maybe some customers considered afraid, okay, even Shineworld doing commissioning, running production in your factory, maybe because of our labor, our engineering is not a skilled engineer. We also need Shineworld dispatch engineer to go to our factory to doing commissioning and running and trading our team. Now Shineworld can tell you, okay, no problem. Last year, Shineworld already established overseas office. One is in Pakistan office. We have sales manager worked in Pakistan market. We also have electrical engineer to work there. So we can arrange our engineer from Pakistan to your factories. In Middle East market and Africa market, Shineworld established one office in Egypt, so can cover the Middle East market and Africa market. In Egypt, we have 2 engineers, electrical engineer, can doing this job. And this year, Shineworld also considered in Saudi Arabia, Nigeria, and Thailand and Indonesia. We considered looking, if possible, we will establish the new office by local. So, considering commissioning and troubleshooting after sales service, Shineworld makes a change. Shineworld improve, establish overseas market, overseas office, can offer more support, more technical support, and our overseas team can give you the technical service, doing commissioning job, troubleshooting, and after sales service. That Shineworld can do. So choose Shineworld. Shineworld can do for you. Shineworld can give you not only for the machinery, from service, from technical, from overseas team, can give you excellent service and the best quality, excellent offer to you. Thank you. So choose Shineworld. Thank you.